Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Well, today I got something incredibly exciting for you. I'm unboxing an iPhone 14. As you can see, the packaging is sleek, something that Apple is known for. In this case, the packaging has suffered a little bit, as you can see from the corners. Let's not waste any more time and dive right into this. Let's just gently slide off the top lid. And here it is, the iPhone 14, beautifully as always. And as you can see, it's the white color option, which Apple has named Starlight, the boys reference. The iPhone 14, it's the normal option, not the Plus, not the Pro, it's just the normal 6.1 display. The longest battery life of any iPhone. As always, they always referencing the updates they do to the battery. Comes with the A15 Bionic chip. I'm really hoping to see the next update they're gonna do in September, very shortly from now, which I think they will deliver the next iPhone. This one, it comes with super speed 5G, emergency SOS, crash detection. To be referenced, it's also an OLED display and can go to 46 ppi. Both models, either 14 or 14 Plus, as HDR display, three-tone, white color, haptic touch, 800 nits max brightness. To reference also the dual camera system, 12 megapixels the main one, an ultra-wide also of 12 megapixels. 2 plus optimal zoom out. To be honest, the zoom, I'm a little bit disappointed with it. I thought it would be much better. The night mode, I'm good with it. It's capable, much better than any other iPhone that I had. Recording 4K up to 60 frames per second, either a 180p HDI, 60 frames per second also. Slow-mo, time-lapse. True depth camera has also an autofocus with focus pixels. I did not find any way or anything that I would say is noticeable this, to be honest. I'm going to be honest. The Face ID, I cannot live with this. I hate it. I don't want Face ID because most of the time it does not work.